Hi, this is Preeta and you're watching Dakshin Curry. Rice is predominantly used down south, and today I'll be showing you how to make a snack, a really healthy snack using rice sevai. So to know more, stay tuned. So let's see how to make this recipe. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I'm using 1 pack of rice sevai. This is around 200 grams. This should suffice for breakfast or for a snack for 4 people. Apart from that, I'll be using cooking oil around 1 tablespoon. The other ingredients are 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few sprigs of curry leaves, a little bit of hing, a teaspoon of urad dal, teaspoon of jeera, a dash of turmeric, lemon juice, salt, coriander leaves, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, a little bit of green chilies and water for cooking. So let's see how to make this. I have a pan here and firstly I'm going to add water to this. The first step is to cook the sevai. Now there are 2 ways of doing this. Actually, if you are going to follow the packet instructions, it's going to say that you need to place the sevai in the pan and then you need to add really boiling water to this. But what I am doing is I am adding a good amount of water for boiling and then I'll be adding the sevai to this. So you can use whichever procedure is easy for you. There are some people who do the tadka and then add the sevai and water and also make the recipe. But for beginners who don't know how to cook sevai, I am showing you how to do that. So I am adding water here and I am going to allow this to come to a boil. At this point I'll add a little bit of salt. Because the sevai does not have any salt in it. You can also add a little bit of hing in this if you want, but I am not doing that. And along with that I'll be adding turmeric. Now see, sevai can be made in various forms. If you want to make it with coconut, if you want to make it with jaggery, there are options, there are loads of options. Because I'm going to be making it with lemon, I am adding a little bit of turmeric. But if you're going to be making this with say coconut, you can keep the sevai white, just it's going to look nice and pearly white. But because this is lemon sevai, I'm adding a little bit of turmeric. So let's allow this to come to a boil. And once it starts coming to a boil, we'll add the sevai. Let's have a look at this. As you can see, this is really fine. So this does not take a lot of time to cook. So even once you add this, all you need to do is cook it for say 2 minutes. It's just like your 2-minute noodles. It does not take a lot of time to cook. Earlier in olden days, they used to make this fresh, they used to have this really huge machine with with which they used to make this. But nowadays it's like a tedious process and nobody has the time. So now as you can see, the water is starting to simmer. And now I'll add the sevai. Now you should not add a lot of water. If you're going to add a lot of water, then you need to drain the excess water off. That's pretty easy to understand. If you have a colander at home with which you can strain this, you can strain it. But many a times what happens is if you've added the right amount of water, it gets absorbed. There's no need to strain the mixture. So I'm just going to press this in a little so that it kind of gets soaked. And at that point of time, if you feel the water is a little less, you can add a little more water. The idea is to just soak the sevai. You don't want it to be swimming in it. So now we are going to just give this a mix because there's salt in this. Now I've added very little haldi. I don't want it to be like really bright yellow. So now we are going to close this and allow this to cook. You need to keep an eye on this because this cooks really fast. So this is not going to take more than a minute or 2 to fluff up and cook. So let's see. So it's been around 2.5 minutes. Let's have a look at how our sevai is doing. As you can see, it's fluffy. The water is kind of absorbed. And there's a little bit of water in this. So what you can do is either you drain this off. I'm just going to keep it on this heat and allow the water to evaporate. But ensure that you don't keep mixing it because then it's going to get all mashed up. And This is done. I'm going to transfer this onto a bowl. So I'm going to just switch this off now. So the sevai is ready, the basic sevai is ready. Let's make the snack. So I have a pan here. I'm going to add oil, around a tablespoon. As you can see, for this portion, a tablespoon of oil is really less, a little bit more. And once this heats up, what I'm going to do is I'll add the basic tadka ingredients to this. So first goes in the mustard. We'll allow this to crackle. And once that crackles, we'll add our urad dal. The best way to serve sevai is with coconut chutney. So ensure that you make a nice coconut chutney to go with this. Tastes really good. As you can see, our mustard seeds is crackling, and when that happens, we'll just reduce flame and add our urad dal, a little bit of jeera, our green chilies, ginger, a little bit of curry leaves, a dash of hing. Give this entire thing a nice mix. Now if you don't want to add haldi while cooking the sevai, so you're making 2-3 varieties and you want to divide your sevai, what you can also do is add the haldi now. Now this is done, we'll add our sevai in this. Reduce our flame and just mix this. A good way of making sevai is also, if you are going to keep it for a while after cooking, it kind of dries out nicely, it cools down, and then you cook, you get a really nice fluffy product. If you have any problem mixing your spices into this, you can use 2 spoons and do it like you do for pasta. Now this is almost complete, we don't need to cook it further. I'll just allow this to cook for say a few seconds, and I'll add a little bit of coriander now along with the stems, keep some for the garnish, and give it a mix. And I'll switch off the flame now, and what I'm going to do is add the lemon juice at this stage. Now I have one large lime here which I am using for this recipe, and I'll be using the whole thing. It's going to be really aromatic, the faint aroma of lime. Ensure that the seeds don't get in. Now we'll just give this one final mix, and it's ready to serve. Let's serve this. So as you can see, lemon sevai is really easy to make. So what do you need to do? Just make this sevai, serve it with a chutney of any choice of yours, probably coconut chutney or mint chutney, any chutney. So make this recipe, serve it to your guests, let me know how you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network, and until next time, it's Preeta signing off.